This is a VCard, a digital business card. You can import these directly into Outlook, Google Contacts, or even Excel to see the phone numbers. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. Let's import it. I'm saving the most versatile part for last. We're going to rely on one simple but powerful VCF file inspection tool that is capable of reading and repairing hundreds of file types. The VCF file type is treated as part of the data file group. The final output is rendered in the VCard file structure. The VCF Virtual Contact File is an industry-standard file format for storing electronic business cards and contact information. It is a plain text file containing fields like name, phone, email, and address. Governed by the Internet Mail Consortium (IMC) standard, the format is designed for universal interoperability. Its integrity relies on simple sequential text formatting. It is easily read by all email clients like Microsoft Outlook Express and mobile devices, making it a universal way to share contact information. The proper file association links VCF directly to the Microsoft Outlook Express solution by Microsoft Corporation. Windows provides limited editing capability, so full content inspection relies on dedicated tools. Windows can't decode the full data structure, so proper access must be done through the correct software. Your most critical first action is the file association test. Right-click the VCF file and choose Open With. If Microsoft Outlook Express is on your machine, test it. If not, choose another program. We must find the right software. If your VCF file continues to fail when opening, that is okay. The stubbornness of this VCF file requires decisive action. Run these specific tests right now to determine the exact failure point. First, use Email Client. Open the file using an email client, e.g. Microsoft Outlook or Thunderbird, or a contact manager, e.g. Windows Contacts. Next, import via Webmail. Import the file into your Webmail service, e.g. Gmail Contacts or Outlook.com, which can handle the format and merge contacts. Finally, open as text. If the file is corrupt, open it in a text editor, Notepad, to check for missing or incorrect formatting tags, e.g. begin VCard or version. If your system couldn't claim the VCF file, the signature itself is likely problematic. The proper fix is to try a universal decoder. The fastest solution is FileMagick. It's the ultimate universal file viewer for the VCF format, available immediately at filemagick.com. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and keep your files working. Wishing you the very best.